In the test and measurement instrumentation industry, precision counts, from benchtop lab measurement and testing systems to advanced handheld and wireless test devices. Precision is mission critical in instrument manufacturing. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The precision stampings, washers, spacers and shims available from Boker's Inc. are the choice of many OEMs with a need for precision. From tight tolerance, narrow-webbed washers designed to hold fragile lenses on digital microscopes to custom non-metallic washers that help protect delicate probes and sensors from shock, Boker's is the provider of choice for industries that demand precision. Instruments in test and measurement environments will often require different material demands. Boker's offers customers immediate access to an array of over 2,000 commonly used and hard to find material choices. Their deep understanding of the quality and tolerance requirements for all measures of precision means Boker's is able to fulfill complex, low to high volume orders on time. Now, if your specific requirements aren't met by their vast stock offerings, Boker's in-house tooling department can design and produce custom tooling to meet your application needs. For precision, tight tolerances and quality for the most advanced instrumentation parts and components, you'll find the resources, experience and capabilities of Boker's measures up to your expectations. And to find out more, simple, visit bokers.com. Thanks for watching.